Okay, so we're gonna take some light blue paint. And so I'm just kind of gonna layer the paint on here as best I can at first. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of water and then just start using that to spread it out. And the water just kind of helps it look a little bit more, I don't know, I guess it has a little bit more depth to it, like the sky actually would. Let me see. I feel like mine wasn't blue enough. There we go. Now it's better. All right, and there we go. That's our first layer. If I can bring this closer. So you can see. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So once we've got this nice blue layer, it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine does have streaks in it. We use the water just to kind of give it a little bit more depth. So now we can do our cloud formations. So we're going to put like 3 larger clouds, kind of like in triangular in formation. And then we're going to add just some little baby clouds. So to do the clouds, we're gonna start with the white paint. And we have the medium rounded brush. And so the trick is we're gonna put the paint on the brush and kind of gob it on. And we're going to take a section and just start tapping that paint out. We're gonna start in the center and work our way outward. It's gonna create a very realistic looking cloud formation for us. And then we just kind of keep adding paint until we get a shape that's a little bit more flat and elongated, and we want it to be fluffy on top. So, and we're just tapping it out. And it looks very natural. This will probably be the part that will take you the most time. They're looking good. Now we are ready. So, the first balloon that I'm gonna do is gonna be the red one, the biggest one. It's just gonna be easier. And I'm gonna go around in basically a looped shape and come back down to meet it at the bottom. And I'm going to also like close it off with a line shape, so then that way you can easily make the little carriage that's supposed to fall from it. So don't make it pointed when you do it. So allow me to demonstrate. Perfect. Nice and tiny. So once I have the balloons, I'm gonna put the little barrels on the bottom, which I'm gonna use black and the small detail brush. And all you have to do is just make 4 little lines coming down and just a little box. That's it. And you're gonna do that for all of them and try to make the sizes smaller as you go. Our little designs, which now I think I'm gonna switch up some of my designs, but mostly I'm just gonna use white and do little lines or polka dots. But I think that for like this yellow one, I might do, you know how they sometimes have the zigzag or they just have a stripe going around. I might do that. Let's see where it goes. And so for this, for the designs of your balloons, I encourage you guys to use different colors and experiments and try different patterns. Okay. And there we have it. Ta-da. Okay.